Hi everyone, in this video I will show notification setting on Infinix Hot 50i. Before starting this video, please press the bell icon or do subscribe this channel. Let's start our video without wasting any time.